Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, who is most beneficent and merciful, we begin with His blessed name and we praise Him and we glorify Him as He ought to be praised and glorified. And we pray for peace on all the noble messengers and particularly last of them, Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So we are doing today biology, human welfare, part 7, in which we are going to discuss disease. Okay, so what do you mean by disease? So in which any changes happen in your health. Any changes happen in your health. Right now nothing is happening, that means you are healthy. Something is happened, that means it is related to your health. Yes or no? So this can be understood by very common understanding that you will have some discomfort. You cannot sit, you want to relax, So discomfort is also the sign of disease. Disability means you are unable to walk. Yeah, discomfort is happened due to overwork you do, then also you can feel discomfort. But that discomfort doesn't mean that disease. I am saying that long time you are feeling that kind of discomfort. So that means disease. Okay? And the disease is caused by microorganism, pathogen you say, or parasites. Correct? So they are going to attack either one organ or more organs, or your whole body part will be affected by these pathogens. Right? And they are going to affect this too much. So due to that, what happens? That your external symptoms and signs can be seen that the fever will be rise. Okay? And he will have so many other symptoms like he will have RBC deficiency or hemoglobin will go down or anything can happen. Depends on which type of disease he has. Right? Malaria or dengue or elephantiasis or dysentery or any other fever. Got it? Or cold. These all are. Now let's understand. Disease can be of two types. Infectious disease, non-infectious disease. By the name itself we can understand infectious means it is causing infection in your body. Okay, like cold. If someone have cold and like if you not stopping this, so this will spread everywhere. So this is an infectious disease. This is a infectious disease and it is easily transmitted from one person to another. And this is of course caused by pathogens. Example, we can see these are the diseases which can be passed from one person to another. Like amoebic dysentery. Someone do not wash the hand and eating and he will giving the food to you and you also eat. You will suffer with the loose motion and dysentery because this is going to enter in your digestive system. Malaria is also infectious because mosquito will suck the blood from any infected person and you are sitting nearby that, it will inject in the healthy person. And the life cycle will start and in that way what will happen? That healthy person will also suffer with disease. Elephantiasis, same kind. In which the foot is going to be swollen. In which foot is going to be swollen. And this is carried by the mosquito. This is carried by the mosquito. Pay attention. Okay. Now the next point is typhoid, pneumonia, common cold, ringworm. These all are the disease which can be. Ringworm means itchy. Itchy. If suppose you are using towel of other person, this will cause ringworm. Got it? Next is non-infectious disease. What do you mean by non-infectious disease? Like heart attack or any other disease. This is not because of pathogen. This is because of your bad habit. Because of bad habit. And it is not transmitted from one person to another person. We can see that not caused by pathogen. It is because happened of your habits or maybe genetically from your childhood time you have that disease. Kidney problems. You have eaten too much spicy food, you have kidney problem. You have been fast and you are drinking soft cold drink, you will have kidney problem. So do not drink during Ramadan fast directly to soft drink. It's very dangerous because the heat was there and then suddenly you are decreasing the temperature, it will damage the cells. Heart problems because of your late night sleeping, because your heart is not remembering of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Today heart attacks are very much common everywhere. Right? May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make easy us, right? All type of problem and pain. Ameen. Common parasites. Let's see. So this common parasite is going to be like a bacteria, fungi, viruses are common parasites. What they are going to do? They are going to cause disease in human. So they are wide range: protozoans, helminthes, bacteria, fungi, viruses. Okay. So this pathogen is going to enter into your body. It may come through the vector. It may come through the vector. Okay. Or it may directly came from the contaminated water or food. Understood? So what is going to happen? Various means they are going to enter in various and going to enter and multiply with the reproductions. Ultimately, they are going to interfere with vital activities. What do you mean vital? Like your kidney is playing very important role. Yes or no? This is a vital role. They are disturbing the role of kidney because this pathogen will go and disturb this mechanical process of kidney, and you will have pain in kidney. So resulting morphological means when the pathogen will infect internal organs, then morphologically you will have pain and fever, and physiological damage means internal life process will be damaged if it remains for a long time. Next point, few pathogenic organisms we are going to learn in this chapter, that is biological in human welfare, and I already have taught you and uploaded, that is Plasmodium vivax and Vaucheria macrophyni. Even the Ascaris lumbricoids also I have uploaded. Not sure, but if it is not, then inshallah I am going to upload it. Got it? So in this chapter we are going to learn some selected of pathogens. What we are going to learn about that selected disease? Their life cycle, their pathogenicity. What do you mean by pathogenicity? How it will cause and what changes will happen in the person. And what is the treatment done? What is the solution? And how to far away from this disease. That is coming under into preventive measures against the disease. Understood? Now come to the disease which we have not learned, inshallah, in this lecture, and the coming of lecture we are continuing with the Ant-amoeba histolytica, inshallah we will learn, right? So number one, its phylum is Protozoa, means they are belonging from the Protozoa. Its subphylum is Sarcomasticophora. Sarcomasticophora. And what about its class? It's a Rhizopodia. It's a Rhizopodia. And how this Ant-amoeba histolytica looking like and what disease it is causing? It is causing loose motion. It is causing, in biological language, it is called as dysentery. It is called as dysentery. And can they able to see from this naked eye? No. It can be just seen by the microscope, because microscope help will be needed to see this smallest size of Ant-amoeba histolytica. So they are microscopic and they are monogenetic parasites. So they are going to live where? In our large intestine, means where the waste is storing, there it is going to be live. And what they are going to cause? Dysentery, means it is a loose motion, and this disease is called as amoeboiasis because it has been infected by an amoeba. So disease also became amoeboiasis. Mode of infection, how it will come into your body? Contaminated food and water. You did not wash and you ate simply because your friend did. You believe him blindly and you lost the critical thinking. So that's why humans are those who can think blindly, just following to someone. Got it? So that's why this is a good message I always give you, that to become a great Muslim you have to follow the Quran and Sunnah of Nabi Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Do not look and follow to me. I am saying myself, do not follow me. I always suggest to my students, please listen to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala, believe 100% to it, and then you see yourself now what will become. He will open the treasure in you, right? So may Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala bless us. Now, it's cosmopolite, means worldwide this disease is everywhere. More common in the tropical and subtropical region where the little temperature region is there, like India. Okay? And we can see that this is coming through the contaminated food and water. And who is going to carry this all Ant-amoeba histolytica? They will be remain in the flies and cockroaches legs. So they will come and they will come on the food and they will live with the parasite and you will eat. So it will come this infection. Got it? So the most important I always suggest to you all, that is the cleanliness, which Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala likes most. Common in rural, means village people, you see near just some kind of canal, the waste, dirty water is going on, there they are living. No, right? And the children do not know any kind of cleanliness. So this number of diseases, number of time it is happening in this rural area. And even in the dense area like Mumbai, Kolkata, where the people are too much crowded, they are 100% amoebic dysentery will happen to someone. Yes or not? Because we can't control this much of population, who is washing and who is not washing their hands. It's better to control ourselves. Good. So you understood? In urban areas, because it is a densely populated, and due to that there is a poor hygienic condition. Poor hygienic condition means cleanliness, awareness are not there. So may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us understanding about the cleanness. So thank you so much. Today we have done, and the remaining part of Ant-amoeba histolytica will do in the next lecture. Till that time, take care all of you, and Assalamu alaikum.